Hi everyone, Daniel is here with a new episode of video tutorial on this front-end app. Welcome to Infotech Academy channel. So today we will see on how you can simply create a calculator using HTML and JavaScript. And this calculator is expected to perform the four basic mathematical operations, including addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. In this snapshot, what you would see is we have two input fields where the user is expected to provide numbers, integer numbers here. So based on these two, we can perform addition or subtraction or multiplication or division. Then the app is expected to display or show the result for us in the result field. So what you see underneath is a clear button. This is just simply to reset the already entered value for the next entry. So without further ado, let's go ahead and design this app. So we have two input fields, four command button, one result field, one clear field here. All right. So this is my HTML basic structure had been previously built. Has nothing in there. If you go to the browser and refresh, you will not see anything. So let's start building things one by one. So let me start with the header. That is my calculator. So here I can use the first header one, my calculator. My calculator. Okay, sorry for spelling error. H1. All right, let me go ahead and save this. Now let's refresh. Okay, we can see our progress. So the header of this app is successfully entered. Very good. So let's go ahead and start building the two input boxes here along with their labels. Okay, we have an input command in HTML, that input, and the type of this input is just number because we're expecting the user to enter number. And we can define the ID. That ID is num1. That's the first number. The other thing is it's good also to highlight this is a required field. Okay, so let's just go ahead and file and save and see the progress. Refresh. Good. I can see now the text box, but I'm just missing the label here. So it's easy, no problem. I can enter it here. Num1, file, save, back to the browser, refresh. Here we go. So the first input box for the first number is done. We're gonna go to the next one. So here we don't have to rewrite this code. I can go ahead and copy and paste it there. So I can rename this is number 2 and the ID should be number 2. Let's go ahead and save and refresh my browser. Here we go. So they are now written adjacently. We have to write one at the top and the other one is underneath. So for this, what we have to do is we have to make a break command. So we can make a break, new line, refresh. We push the number 2 is down. We still need one more break space so that you can clearly see the two input values there. Let's copy this break syntax, paste it there, go to file, save. Okay, let me refresh it. Boom. So these two are done. What's next are we have 4 command button. For one for addition, the next one is for subtraction, multiplication, division. Okay, let's go ahead and let's put the button command in HTML. Button on click equal quotation add numbers. Okay, close the text and we want to add and close the button command. All right, let's go ahead and save it, refresh it there. Good, here we go. But we want this one to go to the next line. That's simple. copy this, paste it there. If you go and save it there and refresh it, there we go. I think one break is enough. We don't need that much gap. Refresh. This looks good. Very good. Let's go ahead and build rest in the same fashion. So I don't have to rewrite. Just copy, enter, paste, paste, paste. So this is the first one for adding them. The next one is for subtract. And the label is subtract. The third one is multiply. And the label again multiply. The fourth one is divide. And the label is divide. Let's save this and check our progress. Refresh. Here we go. Four of them are there. That's good. What's next is the result field and the clear command button here. All right. So enter. Let's make one break again here. Copy, paste, enter. I can simply copy the input. I can copy one of the input type we previously entered. We don't need this label. Input type is text box. And instead of ID number, we're gonna have an ID which is for result. So here we can change the name simply as result, and we don't need to require this. That's not a required field. We're not expecting the user to write or to input anything. This is nothing but just to display. So what we can do, we can disable it. In doing so, the user will not supposed to write anything there. It's disabled, only displaying the result for us. So once we do that, let's go ahead and save it and refresh. Here we go. As you see here, it's disabled. This is the disabled text box. This is just ready to accept input, but this one is for a disabled one. So let's make a break. One make break there. Break there. Save it. Okay, the next one we have a clear command button there. So let me just copy one of the command button for clear. Let's paste it there. So on click, what we are expecting on click is just to clear both the input fields as well as the result fields. So when the user click, these two input field is going to get clear. Also at the same time, the result field is going to get clear. So let's name this one as clear. So to make uniformity across this HTML tag, let's make a class for this one. And this is clear. Very good. Let's save and see. That's the progress we have so far. All right, very good. Good. Let's make a little bit break in there. Copy, paste, save, refresh. All right, again there. What is this? I click for add. Let's make paste in there. Save, refresh. All right, so we have two input boxes, four command buttons, one result field, and the last command button. So in this one, we have successfully designed the structure of this calculator app. So what's next is we have to do some functionality for this command button. Now we have the input boxes. Even if you put values in there, this command button does not have any functionality because we didn't write any command associated to it. So please stay tuned So the next one, we're going to do the part two of this video, and I'm going to show you how we can write functions for each command button here so that the calculation can be performed successfully using JavaScript code. Stay tuned.